Let's get it going now with Brian Stutland, the founder of Equity Armor Investments. Good to see you there, Brian. And what stocks or sectors do you love for 2023?
Well, I think it's been an interesting start to the year. What we basically have found is a big rotation out of some of the sort of defensive type names, healthcare, consumer staples, and a rotation into more growthy kind of names. And, what's changed? Well, really two things. One, the landscape of volatility has declined where people are willing to take some more risk and not be so worried about the concerns of the big swings in the market. And two, we've seen interest rate levels basically on the 10-year note taper off, be around that 3.5, 3.6 level, which has given more comfort into the growth names. And for that, I really like some of the semiconductor areas. SMH, for example, an ETF that basically tracks the sector, has moved up sharply. Looks like it's made a nice bottoming process and can move more to the upside. Now, inside of that, you do have names that are laggards like Intel. We saw reports from them that have really lagged the market. And so I'm really sticking with the best of breed, an AMD and an NVIDIA of the world that I really like for clients right now. And then when I turn and look for other growth areas, I've rotated more out of sort of the defensive names and the industrials that did so well, even though I think they continue to do okay given the government spending towards defense stocks, and more of a rotation into sort of the Caterpillar and Deeres of the world, the industrial plays where there's real GDP growth going, because it looks like the soft landing is somewhat underway, assuming some of this inflation can stay under control.
Thank you very much, Brian.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.